Hi everyone, it's been a while. In this devlog, you're getting a brand new look, a drag and drop automation engine called Workflows, cloud identity authentication that makes database passwords optional, a new home screen, and I'll even open up our analytics and show you exactly how the dbpro SEO has been going. Oh, and quickly before we dive in, dbpro is free to download for Windows, Mac, and Linux right now at dbpro.app. Go and grab it and follow along. So strap in, it's good to be back. Right, where to start? Let's start with the thing you can literally see. dbpro has had a facelift. dbpro is 6 months old now, and in those 6 months, we've been sprinting on features. Dashboards, saved queries, all of it. So we made a deliberate decision to stop adding things for a moment, take a breath, and make what we have actually look the part. First up, the logo. Now, if you've been following along, you'll remember our original logo was, and I say this with love, shamelessly generated by AI. It was supposed to resemble a database icon, and to be fair, it did, but it also resembled roughly 4,000 other database icons. You told us it was basic, and you told us it was overused. So here's the problem though. Neither me nor Jack is an artist. My artistic ceiling is a stick figure, and honestly the stick is doing most of the work. So we went shopping, and we stumbled across a site called anymark.co. It has genuinely lovely modern logo marks at a very reasonable price. So we bought one, and look at it. It's a real logo, and it's a logo that a grown-up company would have. We redesigned the website too, and I'll just say it, this is the best website we've ever had. It's clean, it's fast, and I especially love the new blog layout. The link is in the description, so go and have a poke around. Speaking of the website, let's talk SEO, because I promise numbers and I'm a man of my word. When we launched, everyone said the same thing. Google takes somewhere between 6 and 18 months to properly trust a new website. Until then, you're basically shouting into a void, and the void doesn't even leave a comment. Well, we're 6 months in, and yeah, look at this chart. The numbers are going up. Impressions are climbing, and so are clicks. Some of our technical blog posts are ranking properly, and if you're building something yourself, the boring advice really does work. Write genuinely useful content, and make sure your page speed insight score are green across the board. These days, that part is very easy to do. You just point an LLM or agent at your site, tell it to crawl and audit it, and fix what it finds. Okay, now for the big one, workflows. So here's the pitch. Everyone who works with databases has that one task. Every Monday morning, you open the same table, apply the same filter, and export the results to JSON. Again, for the 400th time. It takes 10 minutes, it's mind-numbing, and a small part of you dies every single week. Workflows in dbpro exist to keep that part of you alive. Workflows let you automate the tasks you do on repeat right inside dbpro. So here's how it works. You create a new workflow, and you land in the workflow editor. It's a drag and drop node editor, and you've got a whole palette of nodes to pick from. Schedule, query, regex, code, save to file, and loads more. So for our Monday morning example, let's drop in a schedule node and set it to Monday at 9 AM. Wire in a query node, wire that into a save to file node, set it to JSON, and done. You can also run the workflow right inside dbpro. Next up, the home screen got some love too, because if you're giving the product a new logo and a new website, you can't have people boot up the app and land on well, whatever it was before. And a lot of you told us the same thing about the home screen. The left-hand side was wasted dead space, digital tumbleweed. So we fixed it, but we didn't want to just cram it full of stuff for the sake of it. We wanted to add functionality that actually earns its place on the screen. So imagine this. What if you could pin your favorite things? For example, that dashboard you check every morning, a connection, a workflow, or a saved query. You can pin them all right there, one click away the moment dbpro boots up. And now my favorite feature of this whole release. In 2.3, we killed the database password. Okay, fine. We made it optional, but we made it optional as a much worse thumbnail. If you're connecting to a managed database, you've probably got a long-lived password sitting in a config file somewhere. It's been there for months. The fix is identity-based short-lived token auth instead of storing a static password. So dbpro generates a fresh token every time you connect, using the cloud entity you already have. We shipped 4 flavors: AWS RDS IAM, Azure AD, Google Cloud Platform SQL IAM, and MongoDB Atlas workload identity. That covers all the big managed providers: Postgres, MySQL, and Mongo. So that's Devlog 10. We had a new logo, a new website, new home screen, workflows, and passwordless cloud identity auth. Not bad for one release. If any of that sounded useful, you can download dbpro for free right now for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux at dbpro.app. If you're already a user, update and go and pin something. Oh, and if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And why not tell a colleague who's exporting JSON by hand every Monday? They need us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in Devlog 11.